Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 37 of chapter 10, section 5. Find an equation of the conic that satisfies the given conditions. Ellipse, foci plus or minus 2, 0, vertices plus or minus 5, 0. The generic equation of the ellipse with center at the origin is of the form x square over a square plus y square over b square equal to 1, and if it is elongated along the x-axis, a will be always more than b. So that is the condition. So this is the ellipse for center at the origin. You are given vertices at plus or minus 5, 0, foci plus or minus 2, 0. We also know the vertices and foci lie along the same axis of the ellipse. So this clearly tells us that the center of the ellipse for which we are finding the equation for is at the origin. So center of the ellipse is actually at the origin. And this value, the vertices gives the value of a. So a equal to 5. So that will give us a square equal to 25. Then the focus is at a distance at c from the center. So focus is at a distance c from the center, and c is given by the relation c square equal to a square minus b square in an ellipse. So you are given c because the coordinates of the foci are plus or minus 2. So c equal to 2. This we know from the data given. So it is c square, so 2 square equal to a square, which is 25 minus b square. So b square equal to 25 minus 4, which will be equal to 21. So b square equal to 21, a square equal to 25. So this gives the equation of the ellipse in the form x square over a square, which is 25, plus y square over b square, which is 21, equal to 1. Hope this video helps.